I mostly just get uncomfortable when there seems to be an excess of certainty or perceived certainty. And it doesn't mean that something definitely is going to go wrong. But if you just look back to last January, we were in a similar mode. We were all guns blazing, had been since the start of the year. And then DeepSeek comes along, and that morphs into this funky momentum unwind that all of a sudden turns into a financial tightening because of the tariffs, and then it's a recession scare. I don't expect any of that happening, but the stage being set for adverse surprise is everybody thinks there's no way but the best way possible for us to turn out.
You think it's just a matter of time before money starts flowing back to the mega caps? I mean, are we kidding ourselves here?
I think it could be one of those deals where it ends up being kind of like there's a pressure valve, and when they get overheated, it can go elsewhere. I think the best case scenario is what happened last year, which is most of the value is added by mega caps. The index benefits a lot from that, but a majority of stocks at least participate. Now, last year, you had a very small minority of stocks beat the S&P 500, but most stocks were up. So I still think you could have maybe the inverse version of that, where mega cap lags a little bit, but most stocks can capitalize on a better earnings picture. But I don't think this bull market is going to just pass the baton to non-tech, and it's going to be up and away on the index level. Usually, the theme that got you here 3 years in is the one that's got to finish you out.
You believe that, Shan? I mean, that seems to make perfect sense, right? I mean, who are we kidding here? That if this looks to be the so-called everything rally, then everything is going to rally. Will mega caps lag a little bit? Okay, I can believe that. But you want to tell me that they're going to dramatically underperform? I don't know if I'm willing to go there.
Well, and I don't think you should if you actually believe in this accelerating growth story. I mean, why would there not be, some of that going towards continued AI capex and free cash flow generation for these mega cap tech companies? Scott, I think what's most important is the dispersion. Not all of these tech companies are going to benefit, just like in other sectors we're not going to see that. That dispersion is going to be really critical, and I think you've seen it in the large cap tech space. I think you're going to continue to see it in different sectors or industries within technology, and that's really the piece where you can be a little bit more tactical, thoughtful, prescriptive in building out your tech allocation for 26.
Shannon, I appreciate you being with us.